Hi everyone. Let us learn about the word of the day for today. Spell them together with us. And remember that words are important. Inhibit, I-N-H-I-B-I-T. Inhibit, I-N-H-I-B-I-T. Inhibit, I-N-H-I-B-I-T. It is a verb. What does it mean? Inhibit means to prohibit from doing something. Example of the word inhibit used in a sentence. Water extracts from the roots and foliage have been shown to inhibit plant growth. Inhibit, I-N-H-I-B-I-T. Inhibit.